Is this it? We found it. Shit, it feels so big. Bavaria 34. Where's the name? Can you read it from there?
Yep.
Go with the flow. Here she is. Feels so damn big. Compared with the car rental at least. Okay, we are game. Lord.
Hi.
Hi, opening. We're on top of the boat. It's a bit scary, the climb up here. Shit. This is like entering like an Egyptian tomb. Let me go. Wow. Welcome to Go with the Flow. Woohoo! Oh, this is awesome.
He is home for the next 6 months.